In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see connections on LinkedIn, specifically your second degree connections. This process can be quite beneficial for networking, job hunting, or simply expanding your professional circle. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, start by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to the LinkedIn website. Once there, you have a couple of options to access your account. You can either sign in using your Google account, which is a quick method if your LinkedIn is linked to a Google account, or you can choose to continue with your LinkedIn account credentials. This step is straightforward. Simply click on the sign in button and enter your details to access your dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page if you haven't already. The next step is to click on My Network. You'll find this option located at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. My Network is your gateway to all your connections, both the people you're directly connected to and those who are in your extended network. Once you're on the My Network page, you're going to look for and select the Manage My Network option. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial as it leads us directly to where we can view and manage our connections more deeply. After clicking on Manage My Network, you'll see a list of options related to various aspects of your network. Here you're specifically looking for the Connections option. Click on it. This action will take you to a page where you can see a list of all your first degree connections at a glance. These are people you're directly connected with on LinkedIn. Now, to see your second degree connections, or in other words, people who are connected to your connections but not directly connected to you, there are a couple of approaches you can take. Typically, LinkedIn will show you how you're connected to someone directly on their profile. So when browsing through your network or even outside of it, you'll often see a label indicating if someone is a 2-end degree connection. Unfortunately, unlike first degree connections, LinkedIn does not provide a direct list or option to view all your second degree connections in one place. However, understanding who these individuals are can be simplified by using the search feature and filters. Here's a tip. You can use the search bar at the top of your LinkedIn homepage to look for people in a specific industry, company, or with specific titles. Then use the filters to narrow down to 2 ND degree connections. This leverages LinkedIn's algorithms to uncover the overlaps between your direct network and your broader professional landscape. Remember, the power of LinkedIn extends beyond just seeing who you're directly connected with. Understanding and exploring your second degree connections opens up a vast network of potential contacts, opportunities, and pathways that might just be the key to your next career breakthrough or finding the right talent for your organization. Networking is about building relationships, so as you discover your second degree connections, think about how you can introduce yourself in a way that is both genuine and professional. Perhaps there's a mutual connection who can introduce you, or maybe you share common interests or professional experiences that can serve as the basis for your outreach. In conclusion, while LinkedIn doesn't offer a one-click solution to view all second degree connections directly, navigating through your network, leveraging search and filters, and engaging with your first degree connections can unlock the potential of your extended network. Remember, networking is an ongoing process, so be proactive, stay curious, and keep building those connections. That's all for today's video on how to see connections on LinkedIn, particularly focusing on your second degree connections. I hope this guide has been insightful and equips you with the knowledge to expand your professional network effectively. Happy networking and see you in the next video.